Marcel Laurentian. We were wondering if we could have a salute, please, over him. Thank you very much. Out.
That was Miss Mandy. Yo, Miss Mandy.
Miss Mandy misses me.
Come to school.
No, I can't. I'm not enrolled in the school anymore.
Well, during lunch.
Look, there's a flame.
Well, during lunch, I'll tell you you're coming. Coming, hey. Ouch.
Yeah,
Well, during lunch, I'll tell you you're gonna come.
there's the flame.
You're gonna come. No, we need that.
For your car wash.
There. Now you're about to go. About to do that. I'm just right here.
Hot. Hey, when's your knee surgery?
I don't know.
Is it tomorrow?
I probably would